Say hi, Uncle Fred. Say hi. 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 Wave your hand at him. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Well, I give up.
What am I going to do?
I don't know. When he doesn't notice the baby. Oh.
Still warm.
Lucy, guess what? Hi, Ethel. Hi, Fred.
Hi.
Lucy, where's Lucy?
What is it? What is it?
I wanted to hear. Lucy!
Yeah?
Come here, honey.
What?
I bought a new car.
A new one?
A brand new Pontiac.
A new Pontiac?
Yeah.
You said you couldn't afford a new car.
Yeah, I know, but I started thinking about the long trip and everything, and I think it's a better investment anyway. Don't you think so, Fred? Fred! What's the matter with him?
He's in a state of shock. It's at $400.
Yeah, it was too much for him. He's retired from reality.
He can't hear a word we say.
Well, that's too bad, because I got wonderful news.
What?
Well, I use Fred's old Cadillac as a trade-in, so Fred will get all his money back. What's that?
I think we struck a nerve.
What's this about getting my money back?
Well, welcome back to the world, Fred.
Fred, I bought a brand new car, see? And I use your old car as a trade-in, and the guy allowed me $400 on it. So all I gotta do is give you the $400, and everybody's happy.
When do we see the car? Yeah, where is it?
When do we eat?
He's really recovered.
It's right down at the curb, right now.
Yeah. Come on, let's go see it. Oh, Ricky, it's beautiful. Isn't that dreamy?
Oh, what a pip. Automatic transmission?
Naturally.
How much horsepower?
180.
Oh, great.
Oh, what a Ethel, smell this. There's nothing like the smell of a new car.
Wait till you see the motor, Fred.
I want to see it.
Look in here.
Yeah.
Dag, isn't that beautiful?
What's the matter with you? You crazy, son?
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. Come on, let's go for a ride.
No, we can't.
Why not?
Because we're not insured.
Oh, well, you drove it home.
Yeah, I know, but I shouldn't have. I called the insurance man, and he wasn't in the office. I just couldn't wait any longer to show it to you.
Come on, just once around the block. Yeah,
Come on, Rick.
All right, come on. Just once. Just once.
Yeah, okay.
All right,
hurry up.
All the way to California.
Jump in.
Oh, isn't this great? Oh, come on, honey, hurry up. Give me the keys.
Haven't you forgotten something?
What?
You don't know how to drive.
Oh. Hey, Fred, there's some difference in this and that old relic you bought.
All right.
We shouldn't be doing this.
Oh,
but
well.
We'll go once around the
Yeah,
block.
gee, I hope somebody sees us.
That's
Oh, to California, sitting like that.